Bring the arms up, stretch up.
Practicing outdoors in the burn, on the rocks, is an experience that not many people get to experience. It's a treasure and it's a memory I'm going to have for the rest of my life.
The combination of really high standard of yoga plus the surroundings, just the atmosphere and being really in the middle of the countryside and surrounded by like-minded people as well, it's had a really positive impact on everybody.
The spread of people that we had over the start of the weekend were people who had never done yoga before, and then people who, there were a few of us who were well used to yoga who were looking for something to, to get their teeth into and be challenged a little bit, and the class is balanced so nicely.
If it was just all about the yoga, it wouldn't appeal to everybody, but I think there's something here for everybody.
I would like to come back in 6 months or so for another weekend just to refresh everything that I've been doing, and I do think it's just given me time out to just reevaluate what's important in my life and what I need to do to make time for myself in my life.
So coming to this yoga retreat, I thought it was just yoga, but it has to offer so much more. Dave brings us on many adventures and he shows us the beautiful scenery that West of Ireland really has to offer, and I really didn't know it. You get connected to nature. That's something I feel like living in a city I'm not as connected to. We took boat rides across the cliffs of Moher and really saw the breathtaking cliffs. There's just so many activities that we've done that it's not just yoga, there's so much more to it.